What are the methods available to get the CPU usage in Linux command line? We know that top is a command to get the CPU usage in Linux, and other ways include cat proct stat, which is used by top. What are other methods to get the CPU usage in the Linux command line? Use case scenario, at the output of this command will be used by a script to log the CPU usage continuously. Top and proct stat give detailed usage which is difficult to log. Is there an easier way to get the CPU info?
SAR is the definitive way to do it. So for instance, SAR you will output something like this. You don't say which Linux you use, but for CentOS/Red Hat, you need to install the systat package, and I think it's the same on Debian/Ubuntu. You can also use SAR to gather statistics ad hoc. We'll gather stats every 60 seconds 600 times, so 600 minutes.
As others have said, the best way is probably top. It needs a little tweaking and a little parsing, but you can get it to give you the current CPU use as a percentage. Top splits CPU usage between user, system processes and nice processes. We want the sum of the three. So, we can run top in batch mode, which allows us to parse its output. However, as explained here, the first iteration of top b returns the percentages since boot. We therefore need at least 2 iterations, n2, to get the current percentage. To speed things up, you can set the delay between iterations to 0.01. Finally, you grep the line containing the CPU percentages and then use gawk to sum user, system and nice processes. I thought you could also get this information through ps-op-poax by adding the percent use of each running process. Unfortunately, as explained here, ps returns the percentage of time spent running during the entire lifetime of a process, which is not what you need. Edit. Based on your comment, your version of top is different to mine and you should use this instead. And, to avoid issues with localization, set the locale to C.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.